Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry thicker. To achieve a rich, satisfying consistency, you'll want to consider a few key approaches. We'll explore how different ingredients can transform your curry from watery to wonderfully thick, ensuring every spoonful is packed with flavor and texture. Get ready to elevate your curry game with these simple yet powerful techniques, making your next meal truly exceptional. One of the quickest ways to thicken your curry is by using a starch slurry. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, then slowly stir it into your simmering curry. For a richer base, you can create a roux with flour and a fat like butter or oil at the beginning of your cooking process. Alternatively, pureeing some cooked lentils or vegetables directly into the sauce offers a natural, healthy thickening option. Another excellent method for thickening is simply reducing your curry. Allow it to simmer uncovered over medium-low heat, letting the excess liquid evaporate naturally. This concentrates the flavors while also thickening the sauce. For added richness and a luxurious texture, stir in some full-fat coconut milk or a splash of heavy cream towards the end of cooking. A tablespoon of your favorite nut butter can also work wonders for creaminess. Remember, when adding any thickening agent, do so gradually. It's much easier to add more than to thin out an overly thick curry. For a truly seamless texture, consider blending about 1/4 of your curry and stirring it back in. This uses the ingredients already present to thicken the sauce naturally. These tips will help you master your curry. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.